Hi, this is Bill the Techno Gypsy coming to you from somewhere in Oklahoma. I wanted to share with my viewers out there my after-action report on the crash analysis of my DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2 drone. As you can tell, it kind of got messed up and there's no camera, no gimbal, nothing. I was shooting some video that I'll show you here in a little bit further on that I was able to recover, and bringing the drone back in to go over some trees at an RV park, and all of a sudden the drone went into the trees at the treetops, came crashing down into a drainage ditch that was filled with water and slimed up the whole drone. I was kind of disappointed, to put it bluntly. I was surprised that the battery did not short out being submerged. It wasn't down that long. The battery looks good. I was able to pull the SD card out, and I found a website called fix.video where I was able to send in the damaged video from the drone because it wasn't completed on the recording. And it cost me $12. I figured it was worth it. And they fixed the video using the proper DJI codec for the video. So I was able to do a crash analysis to take a look at the video and figure out what actually happened. As you can tell, as we look at the drone closely, the arm, one of the arms here, is completely busted up. The motor is, it's tilted in the wrong direction, I don't know, but it's not going to fly. And then we get into the problem of that there is no camera and the gimbal is gone. All that has disappeared. Well, the good news is I do have the DJI Care product, and I contacted DJI. I've got to send my drone in. They're saying 5 to 7 days to get it fixed, and we shall see. So let's take a look at the drone video that I was able to recover through the fix.video site and kind of do a crash analysis. All right, so let's start into the video. I saw this really nice looking plowed field, and I thought it would be very good on the perspective to shoot some video on it. So I ran the drone out a couple of 100 yards. Then I turned it around to come back. So everything was looking good so far. Now I'm starting to fly back to my position at the RV park that we were staying at overnight, because I wanted to use this on one of my vlogs, and I thought this would be very nice with the parallel lines coming in. There we go, that's a good shot. Coming into me. Now I'm starting to go up, to go over the trees. And you can tell the drone had a problem there that it couldn't, it's like it wasn't following my commands on the remote control to actually tell it to rise in altitude. What I figure that happened here is that the RV park had their own Wi-Fi system that was out there operating, and it must have conflicted with my DJI remote control to the drone, because of the drone, you can see that it tried to go up, then it dropped down. It was my fault, I was too close to the treetops. It hit the treetops, got into the branches. From that point it fell about probably 50 feet down and hit the drainage ditch. But I'm thinking it was a very good lesson that I learned, number one, of not flying so close to objects whenever I'm actually operating the drone. And the other thing is to take into consideration that there may be Wi-Fi interference. And when the drone gets into an interference type condition, you don't know what it's going to do. It might bounce up, it might bounce down. So I just wanted to go over this as a crash analysis to show you what I found out by being able to retrieve the video and actually take a look at it and do a basic analysis on it. So I hope you enjoyed my analysis of my mistake with my DJI drone, but it's just something for operators out there, the pilots, to understand that can happen with the Wi-Fi command and control system that's on their drone. Now I get to sit back and wait for a couple of weeks to get this guy back. Luckily, I have a Mavic Mini that shoots pretty good video. It's nowhere near as capable as the Phantom 4 Pro version 2, but at least it still gives me a drone. So this is Bill, the Techno Gypsy, saying 7-3 and God bless, and keep flying your drones out there.